Just to explain the second half of Happy Go Lucky. So if you're starting here at so measure 7, you can see on the first beat, third beat. I'm talking about the right hand, first beat and third beat, and then measure 8 on the first beat, measure 9 on the first beat, and the sixth beat. Right, so it's just like a blues shuffle exercise.
Right.
So this is a great way to get this going. So it's starting at measure 7. Oops. 1, 1. So look how it lines up with the left hand. The measure 9 is really the one. The last of the second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Again. One more time. One more time.
And then the G, right?
Hmm?
I guess
Where?
the G after that.
Yeah, that's the beginning.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing that, yeah. So it's important to realize that those are see, this is starting to tie together. Your rhythmic exercises are going to start getting your mind to understand the rhythms, and then you have to be able to play different notes. That's why when you're doing the rhythmic exercises, remember to be moving up and down the pentatonic scale so you start to hear that. But yeah, but also the exercises are doing them within one measure. But then what happens with melodies is melodies start to arc over multiple measures. And when you look at a melody, it's a combination. Like this line, 7, 8, 9, and 10, there are 3 different of these blues shuffle exercises. That's why I have it really mapped out like this. The first one, if you took just the first measure, you could play it, right? You're doing first and third. You're going over and over again, right? That's a blues shuffle exercise. And the next measure by itself is just on the first. Obviously doing them very quickly. Number 9, first and sixth. Number 10 is on the sixth. So actually G. And you can see as you speed up these blues shuffle exercises, as you get more comfortable with them and more relaxed with them in your daily practice, you should be able to get them so that they are that fast. You know, I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. This is a pretty good blues shuffle, right? If you could do all these exercises at that speed, then all this stuff will start to make sense. Because again, that's the first building block. Once you can do that, then you start putting them together. And that's all this really is. That's what I'm trying to show you. This is the different blues shuffle rhythm exercises in different orders, one after the other, but then also utilizing different notes as well. So there's those 3 things, and that's a lot to handle all at once. This is multitasking, but that's why we're doing one thing at a time and strengthening those concepts.